welcome to my 10 minutes slash postpartum shower routine. This is my realistic everyday shower routine. Your girl's life has changed. Your girl just had a beautiful daughter, and she doesn't have a lot of time for herself as she used to. So, that being said, I have only like 10 minutes to take my shower. So, during my 10-minute shower routine, I start by using the salicylic acid body wash. This body wash is known to smoothen your body and help get rid of bumps. So, because of my postpartum hyperpigmentation and rough bumpy areas, I this is my favorite body wash to help get rid of all that. So I proceed by using the acidic odor control body wash. So this body wash is known to balance the pH levels of your body to control body odor. So I've noticed that my body odor has increased. I don't know if that's part of the postpartum hormones, but whenever I put deodorant in the space of 3-4 hours, it's like I didn't even wear anything. Okay, mama. Okay, okay. It's like I didn't even wear anything. So please pardon my daughter. I'm here doing the voiceover with her right here. She won't leave mama. So pardon me. Pardon me. So after using the acidic soap, I proceed to shave my armpit. If you notice, I didn't use any shaving products, yes, because I don't have time to be doing all that. The soap can give me enough lubricant to shave my armpits, and I do it every shower routine so that the hair doesn't build up, and it helps reduce body odor, since as hair under the armpit also contributes to the body odor. So after using that, I proceed by using the Ole vitamin C. Bless you, mama. Bless you. I proceed by using the Ole vitamin C body wash. This vitamin C body wash is very hydrating. I love it. It makes my body, it brightens up my body, and it makes my body soft and moisturized. I would highly recommend this vitamin C body wash. So I proceed by using the Dr. Bronner's soap. This soap is non-fragrance and is gentle to the intimate area. So I love to use it to wash my intimate area, my butt, and down there. I don't use those other products because I don't want to upset the pH balance. So anyways, I've done all this double cleansing, and now I proceed by washing my face. If you notice, I use a whole different wash, a whole different soap for my face, and this is the vitamin C cleanser. And the picture I put looks different from the bottle I'm using. It's the same product, they just rebranded that product, and now it's a different bottle, but it's the same product. So this is my everyday face wash product that I use. So here I'm just rinsing off my body after I do all those double triple cleanser. Your girl had to clean her body, double cleaning, and scrub the body. So I proceed to wipe off my body, but not totally drying off my body, because I want my body to be damp enough for me to proceed to my next step, which is now using the anti-cellulite body oil. So this massage oil helps to reduce cellulite because I gain weight. So I've noticed cellulite in my butt area, my laps, and also right now I'm rubbing it on my stomach area, because that wrinkle stomach that you get after giving birth. This helps with it. Like, it helps to build the collagen for my stomach, so my skin in that area will look young, and smooth. So I proceed by using the moisturizing body oil, just to make my body soft and moisturized, and it locks in the moisture in my body so my body won't dry. So here I'm trying to avoid having dry skin and bumpy skin. That's my target doing my shower routine. So after this, mama. So after this, please ignore the distraction. I can't help it. But anyways, after this, I proceed to the next step of my shower routine. So basically, all the step in my shower is pretty much done. So right here, I'm not gonna rinse off my face. I'm gonna leave it to sink into my skin a little bit, and now I'm rinsing it off. Okay, okay, okay. So after rinsing off, please pardon me, okay? So after rinsing off the face wash from my face, I proceed by using a toner. So right here, I'm just using a cotton pad and applying the toner on my face and on my neck. So from this process, because right now I'm doing the nighttime routine, and I'm gonna have a detailed separate video on how I take care of my face during the night. So basically, I treat my face of any face conditions or any face problem that I have. So right now, I'm just using the Paula's Choice exfoliant lotion and applying it on my face with the cotton pad. I love to do this at night because it makes your face now sensitive and you don't want to expose your face to the sun. And you see how dirty, you see that how dirty the pad is. Even after I've washed my face, toned my face, you still see the dead cells on the cotton pad. So right now I'm just proceeding with my essence lotion and tapping it on my face and let it sink into my skin and drying off. Again, don't forget your neck. The neck is very important. And after using that, I let it sit in and let it dry off. Now I'm using my Aveeno Tone and Texture body lotion. So this body lotion really makes your body soft, hydrating. It keeps your body moisturized for a very long time. Like when I shower the next day, I will still feel it on my body. It really gives that moisture that you're looking for, and it tones the skin. So right now I've just dressed up to my night wear, and now I'm just putting my Dove um deodorant, and I now continue by applying the Mosin Snail serum on my face. Remember, I haven't actually finished my face process, so I just apply it, let it sink in. So while it's sinking in, I'm doing another thing. Again, this shower routine is maximizing time. So while I'm letting one thing to dry into my skin, I'm proceeding to do the next step. So right now I'm just proceeding to finish off my face routine. I just use a toner, and now I brush my teeth. So I brush my teeth either at the beginning or I brush my teeth at the end of the routine. Or is that my teeth is being brushed. Okay, but here I'm just rinsing off, of course. Normal thing, you should know how to brush your teeth. You brush your teeth, you brush your tongue, rinse it off. There's not a long explanation to that. But just to also mention, you guys will notice my hair right now. I didn't cover my hair to shower. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This is a realistic shower routine. That's to show you that there's sometimes that you do it, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you just want to hop into the shower, and it's only when you're in the shower that you notice that, oh, I haven't covered my hair. But look, being a mom and taking care of your body at the same time it's not easy. Like right now, I'm doing this voiceover, and I have my baby right here. You guys have heard her complaining, and I'm trying to do this at the same time being a mom. So it's an interesting experience. But anyways, I'm just brushing my hair, just roughly brushing my hair, and tying it to go to bed. So I try to tie my hair so that it doesn't break while I'm sleeping. But the truth of the matter is, after tying my hair, once I wake up, everything is out.